हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है डे 3। हम लोग सुबह सुबह थोड़ा सा चाय वाय पी के थोड़ा सा बाहर जा रहे हैं बिकॉज वी हायर्ड अ बाइक। सो वी वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर दिस आवनंग फुल्ली बिकॉज while walking you cannot explore the whole city, I mean whole area. So आवनंग को थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एंड लेट्स गो। We came across a beautiful road which is going down. Actually we are not sure which way, but the road is really beautiful. You see the mountain here.
We came to explore. I think this is a trekking route, if I'm not wrong. Some
Exactly,
hotels are
trekking road. I can see that. I was about to say that actually. It's a trekking road.
So cheaper options are also available here inside. If you see, friendly bungalows, something like that. I think foreigners.
Hostels also are there.
Foreigners usually choose. Hey, see this. Oh, this is that road from our resort. See, Panan Resort.
Yeah, that is a Panan resort.
You can see this road. I think this goes to the mountain, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, it's a trekking road.
Frank Aonang Resort. So there are little interior these resorts, but I think this looks little cheaper. Okay. Wow, see the mountain? So close. Resort and spa. So from here, I think
this whole area is dedicated to few resorts.
I think from here they, I don't know, rock climbing or something happens.
Yeah. Yes.
Right.
Yes. It's okay. Let's go back. Yeah, these are the resort areas. I don't think it's cheap, huh? I have seen all these resorts.
Not cheap.
It's similar to Panan. So we are going back.
This is the Panan.
Yeah, that's Panan.
You want to buy a house?
No, I don't want. Because there is no shopping mall.
Small bungalow type of houses.
No, these are the resorts, small
Resort, yeah.
resorts.
Small, but like 1 BHK kind of thing. I hope the police doesn't bother us. I think on bike you get the best experience in every place. Whether it's Bali or Krabi or Pattaya, on bike is the best experience. Jessio Plaza. Don't know what is that. Another hotel. Salon.
We came to the main road. We are trying to find a pancake actually. Hey guys, I thought I will give you a tour of this property because this is a beautiful property. So why not, you know, it will take 5 to 10 minutes, but it will really help you to choose this resort because I highly recommend this resort. Whoever is coming to Krabi, this is at the center point. सब कुछ यहाँ से वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस में है. यू कैन गेट एनीथिंग, इंडियन फूड, थाई फूड, एवरीथिंग इन वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस. so shopping and all. So let me show you. यहाँ से हम आए थे वो मैं नहीं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. And then this is you know, from the entrance you need to walk almost like 100 to 150 meter to reach the lobby. So आपने देखा होगा, we also came you know, these are the cabs actually, airport pickup and drop. We also came in this kind of cabs, and you can either book a private cab like us, or you can also book it you know, with multiple people. This is the lobby, and you can see how beautiful it is. This is the entrance, and that is the parking actually. Maybe I will show you later, but this is the lobby where I'm just letting you in. ये है. This is the check-in and check-out counters. यहाँ से you can go to the next floor, and they will serve the welcome drink here. After that, this is their in-house spa. In case you want to utilize, and that spa is in that building, 4th floor. And this is the breakfast counter. Inside, it's a big one. You can see how big it is. So that's why I can see the breakfast counter also, it's a big one. And you can see the entrance is so beautiful. This is the corridor. This is again the breakfast counter. Safety measure के हिसाब से this is the best hotel also. Sorry, best resort. And then here they cook some traditional Thai food every day. The barbecue, buffet and everything. Okay, this is the kids swimming pool, which I showed you yesterday also. And this is the area which is, this connects to your room. So this is a gym. I showed you yesterday also. And this is the path to the lift area. And then you can go down. Okay, before I go down, I'll show you what all are there. Okay, these are the things. Okay, so kids pool, fitness, that side. This is the adult pool. Okay, I told you, right, the spa, Le Panan Spa, it's in this building. You need to go up level 4, and this is the main swimming pool, and that is our room, 5th floor. From there you saw the view yesterday also. It's so beautiful, and yeah, it's a huge swimming pool actually, not small. There is a live bar counter there. Yeah, and after that, this is the kids club area. Right now Kian is playing in this play area. I will show you a little bit. This is the very good thing here. Hello. Kian. Okay. Hi Kian, where are you? I cannot see. Yeah, so this is a kids club area, which is, and after this kids play area, there is a climbing section also. Yeah, you can utilize the section. Very nice, huh? Very nice. So activities for today, you can see 8 to 9 yoga, 3:30 to 4:30 aqua aerobic, 5:30 to 6:30 workout, Thai dance 10 to 11, popsicle class 3 to 4. Okay, necklace making 4:30 to 5:30. So that's all. There is another pool. That pool opens till 9 p.m. Sorry. Yeah. So that's all, guys. Let's go to this part also. This is another building actually. Yeah. This is the back side of the building. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. No, let's go. Let's go. We will spend some time here and then we'll go to the room.